let's go, let's go. Alright, I'll put that there. Morning, 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 chat. Let's go. Right, Morning, morning, morning. Morning, Vic. Right. We are bright and early. We're up bright and early. Right. So I think everything's running all right. Good stuff. So morning, everyone. We are on Tuesday. So first thing we do is we go on Forex Factory. Get ready for the day. You see there's no news on at the moment, which is grand. Just gonna do a Instagram thing. 1 second. We are live now, ready for London session on Tuesday. Let's go, let's go. Morning, 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 everyone. Wow, yesterday was a day and a half. Oh, even though London was bad, god damn, I made some nice pips on gold and GJ. So let's do a little bit of a work here. We've actually broken out of that zone that I was talking about, I think. Let's look at the daily. Yeah, so we've broken out now. You can see that yesterday we closed very strong bullish. So if you actually look at this daily time frame here, even though we're bearish at the moment, if we do flip this candle, where do you expect price to drive? Well, you can expect price to drive to the next zone, which looks like this at the top of there, like that. And the reason why I've put it there is because we have our next resistance there. So that's just a little thing. But obviously this is only if the candle flips, the daily one flips. So first thing we need to do is do our zones. 1 second. So let's get this off. So the daily time frame, let's put our horizontal lines that we do every morning. Here we go. Get that yellow. Nice and easy. So when we pass this line here, we are flipping the daily, which will be interesting. 4 hour. We'll flip the 4 hour at this point here, which is not too far away, to be honest, only 20 pips away. 1 second, let's get that up a bit more. Guys, is the music too loud or too is it not too bad? I want it like at a perfect level for you. Trying to get that worked out. So we've got our lines marked up now. Let's go down to the lower time frame to see where we can start to find zones. So you can see that yesterday this was a resistance, wasn't it? Right here you can see this is a clear resistance which it held, and as you can see now, price has moved all the way back to this zone. Now we need to see how it can't really hear the music, to be fair. Okay, a little bit more on. Is that better or a bit too much? Is it because I've done this? 1 second. Do do do. That now big. Is that too loud? Is it too trying to get it nice. Morning, morning. Wow, 5 people already, man. You guys are smashing it. Getting up early in the mornings if you are. Right, so yeah, a bit too loud now. There you go. 1 second. I'll leave it like that. So yeah, as you can see, that we are coming down to this really key zone. So what are we going to do now? Well, at this zone here, we need to see if price respects it and actually starts creating some support on this line. And if it doesn't, then where we're going to fall? We're going to fall back down to here, to this little zone. Morning everyone. And you know, if we do create some support on here, then we can look for some nice buys. So solid buys would be probably above this region here when the 4 hour and the dailies flip, which would be perfect for me. So this zone here needs to start making some support. But it looks like price is starting to come down quite heavily. But we have to see, because this before was a really big resistance, and now it's a really big support. Well, it can be a really big support, so you have to relax a bit. And now if we're looking up, what next targets have we got? Let's look left. So you can see here our zones were drawn great yesterday. I literally had the target 152.445, I think it was, because this zone here. But if we break above this zone here now, where are we looking for? So you can see on the left here, these match up pretty perfectly. These zones here on the left. So if we do break above this zone here, where are we going to go to? Probably up here, which is a nice 40 pip zone. If you look here, very nice. Okay, now sells. So sells for the 4 hour, we are coming into a really big support here. So sells is not really my favorite, even though the 4 hour and the daily are bearish. I think coming into this zone here is a bit of a it could be a good zone, but look at all this traffic here, bro. So I really want to see how it reacts on this support here, so we have to wait until candles form, because this candle here could do this candle could at the moment could like wick all the way down, and then new candles could open like this. One second. And then it'll start the actual rally of going up. So, you know, this is a very key level here, and I'm very cautious of that. It was a resistance before, and now it's a support, so we need to be very careful on it. So yeah, let's just see how that pictures up. We've got how long have we got? We've got 23 minutes until 8 o'clock, so we've got a lot of time. But these two lines here, I'll be looking for buys where we start passing above these lines, because I want the higher time frames to be in my bias. And yeah, I want to really see how it reacts to this, because some people could be getting into sells right now, but because we're at this very key level, I want to see how price reacts to it. But that hourly before, wow, that moved down quite nicely. 4 hours, still got 2 hours left, so it could push it quite a lot. If you guys got any charts as well, feel free to send them. You know, we do this every day. Let's do gold now. Goldie. So gold's dailies are starting to print bearish. We've just exceeded the low already for the previous 4 hour. We're in this kind of traffic zone here, but so let's do the same thing here. Horizontal lines. Yeah, so the blue one for the 4 hour. Let's make that a bit better. There we go. The daily, we need a nice yellow line. So you can see that both the yellow and the blue lines are below price, are above the price. So we're in a bearish market here, and there's a lot. Oh wow! And there's lots of wicks to fill. So at this key level here, you can see there's many different levels. So it's touched this one here, this one here, this one here. It can go down to here. So there's lots of different points here that they could fill up with momentum as well. So what I'll be looking for is, let's have a look here. I'm gonna make the key level of support and see if we can break it with a closure. Near 8 o'clock, that would be quite nice. Yesterday I caught 10 pips on that. It was nice on gold. So you can see that this is the key level, and the reason why I've drawn it here is because of these two lines here. and they match up with there. So like a close below here, and then to exceed would be nice, I think, for gold. And for buys, you'd have to wait until later on. But buys are not in my favourite at the moment. I can see over here there's some nice resistance. So this is what I'd be keeping the resistance at right here. And I really want price to close here. So if you get a 15-minute close below, that would be nice. But you can see there's certain levels here which they need to close below to suggest that price is going to go. And then for targets, well, the first target would be I'd probably want to get in around 179.3. So first target would probably be down here, to be honest, filling this wick up. And then furthermore, if you look left again, let's have a look what we got. Yeah, and that matches up with this here. This little consolidation here. Let's get rid of this little consolidation box. So that's what my zones would be for sells. And yeah, the 4 hours looking strong. How long has it got left? 3 hours. It's already exceeded the low of the previous, which is good. So there's some good chance for this move here. 1 second, can I hear something? Oh no, I thought the door was going. So yeah, we're really looking quite solid there for gold, but we need the close below to be safe. Right, let's just get back to GJ. Is GJ holding that zone? Let's have a look. It sure is. See this price moving all the way down, but still holding up, which is what I want to see, to be honest. I want it to hold that support, and then this zone, you could probably get a trade in this zone, but you have to be very careful. I'd want a very, very strong bullish candle here. Do you use 50 minutes as confirmation for each trade you take after mapping this stop loss? Yeah, so 50 minutes and 30 minutes. So if I'm feeling a bit unconfident about the trade, I'll use a 30-minute and wait for the 30-minute to close. But if it's a confident trade where I've got a lot of momentum, you know, like here, like yesterday's trade where I just finished the stream, waited for this candle to close, and then waited for this 50-minute to wick down, and then it just closed like that. I wanted to wait to exceed the high, and then I was in. This is an impulse 50-minute play, which is used quite a lot, but I was very happy with it because look at the momentum. The candles were big, they were large. I was very happy to do an impulse there. But sometimes I'd rather wait until the big 30-minute closes. Yeah, big 30-minute. Like I waited for this 30-minute yesterday to close here, and then we didn't flip again, so I never entered, which is good. Saved me a couple of pips. So yeah, I'm really interested about this. But yeah, 15 minutes is mainly the main time frame I kind of go on. But obviously, if 250 minutes is a 30 minutes, so I look at both really. And yeah, I'm just waiting for this, how this hourly kind of closes. I'm very, very intrigued with the daily. The daily is quite satisfying because if we do flip this, we're good. And we've closed above this region here. I just want this daily to flip. I want to flip. So yeah, guys, if you've got any charts, please feel free to send them. I'll have a look at the way you've done it. Different charts, doesn't have to be GJ, any of them. I'll have a look. So look, now the 30-minute and the 50-minute flipping. Nice. So how big is this zone here? Let's have a look. Yeah, so we've got a 36 pip zone there, which is really, really nice. Get some solid trades in there. So let's just do this. To be honest, a buys above here would be alright. I think I quite like buys above there. 4 hour flipped. But better buys would be above this zone, to be honest. I'll say safe buys above 52.602. Hello, hello. Oh, lovely. Someone's put their chart in. Good stuff. 1 second. If you get a close below here, I'd like it, but at the moment we don't. So I'll do this. Yeah. So close below. God. 152.168 zone. want to be closing. So if this candle did close below here, I think I would actually quite like it to continue and fill this range. But we'll have to see for that. Right, what do you think of my idea? Okay, on gold, nice. Alrighty ho. Just gonna put this in. Let's have a look at this. Oh, not the page I was looking for. Oof. Oh wait, 1 second. There we go. I like to sell in the zone, but these 3 weeks rejections concern me. Yeah, so that's exactly what I said. Those rejection zones are quite confusing. And that's why maybe waiting for a close below that zone. So this zone that you've done is exactly the same as mine. I'd wait for a close, a 15-minute close, and then exceeding the lows. I think it should be good. I like to sell in the zone, but these 3 weeks rejections concern me. Yeah, so I think I wouldn't get in right now. I'd wait until the close. Morning. I'd wait for this 30 or this 15 minute. Yes, this 30-minute now to close below this region, and you should be good. I think that'll be looking nice. So look, this 15-minute. See, this 15-minute didn't close below. See, this one didn't close below this bar. So in that case, it could be holding this as support. So you have to be really careful here. You have to wait until the candles are closed. Hopefully the next one does, and then wicks all the way back up and then flips. That'll be a perfect scenario for me. So I'll be keeping an eye on that. That's what happened yesterday with my trade here. Where was it? I'll try and show you guys where it was. Was it here? No. Here. This candle closed really bearish. We're exceeding these lows here. Then this one, was it this one actually? I think it was this one. Then this one wicked up. Yeah, it was this one. This one wicked up, and then when it started exceeding down here, I entered a sell here with stop loss above there, and yeah, I got quite nice pips there. Wow, then it moved up, then went down again. Nice. Yeah, this candle here, yeah, you could do an impulse, but it's very risky, and you wanna, you wanna make sure that if you do take a trade, oh fuck off. If you do take a trade, you need to be able to know, if it goes wrong, what went wrong, and if you already know what could go wrong, just don't make it happen. Morning, another trade idea, beautiful guys. Please keep on sending them in, they're great. If you don't know how to do it yet, I'll show you how you can send them in. Oh shit. But that was a good trade idea. That's what I'm looking at as well. So nice. Oh shit! Didn't mean to do that. Here we go. There we go. GJ. Okay, GJ on the hourly time frame. Okay. Potential buys above clean candles. Full target buys. Right at the top there. Yep. Possible retest for buys. Possible sells below. Yep. See for sells below that. Yeah. So I think this level at the moment is holding on. We need to see if it holds it. Because it can really. I mean, you can see even though the candles did print 15 minutes, they wicked all the way down and they came all the way back up. So we need to be careful. Oh yes, we need to be careful. And this is. Got 2 hours left for this candle to close. I'm very intrigued though for that daily to flip. If this daily flips, bruh, this is gonna be nice. If this daily flips, we're gonna look like this over here, which will be very good. So you see prices moving down here. That's fine. Impulse is not a way to trade. Trust me. But yeah, I love that trade. That's exactly what I do. That chart. That's exactly what I have marked up. We just have to wait for this zone to see what it's going to do. Because, there's so many things you can do here. You can go, oh, it's going to go for buys here. It could come back in a zone. You need to be careful, though. And even here, even if I took sell, so even if this did close, like I said, the zone that I could reject off is only 11 pips. So I'm actually going to move this. I don't think So it could reject this. This here could actually look like this here, that, and that makes it a lot tighter. So I'm not happy for that. I'd say money sells below here. So let me just do this. 152. Oh. Yeah, I think sells below here would be nicer, to be honest. And then they could come back down to these zones. Which is the next support, because you come down here and hit the support. Nice. So yeah, it can do its own thing in here. This is not really a trading zone for me. It's too small, as you can see. Like only about 15 pips, and that's literally if you don't reject there. That's 12, that's 11, then you do commissions. It's not worth it. Gold on the other hand though. Oh, this closed below, man. So yeah, what I'm looking for gold is this. People are not used to like my wick kind of thing. Try and change the color of it. 1 second. Oh, there we go. So what I'm doing is I want a candle to close. So I want this one here to close like this, nicely. Then the next one to open here. Chew. Come all the way back up like this. And then on the flip down here, that as well enter. So it looked like that kind of. Oh my god, that's such a bad draw. I need to get used to being able to draw them. And then I would enter on the flip of the lows here, and my stop loss will be in the high it's just made. And then targets will be down there, like that. Jesus Christ. So yeah, that's what I'm looking for. 100%. But there's no candle closure here, so I'm not bothered yet. Wow, I'm sneezing today. Holy shit! I've got my morning brew. You need to get a morning brew. Like, I'm not gonna lie, morning brew sort the boy. Too good, man. So yeah, so let's see where GJ goes here. If he come back in this zone, that's fine. That's fine. I still have a feeling it's gonna be buys for the day, but we just need to wait. The last one was bullish. I just have a feeling we need to wait for this certain level. So people might rush into these sells here, and that's fine. It's completely fine. But as you saw what happened yesterday. Oh my god, guys! Remember what we said yesterday? Where was it? Yeah, we're in this range here, and we were pushing down. And I said here, 1 second, get this to you. I said, guys, be careful, because look at how many times this is wicked here. So this candle's coming down here. We had wicks there. We had wicks there. I was like, you guys need to be careful. I think actually further on, 1 second. Was there? Yeah, like here. So like there. So this is a key level. So like key levels are basically levels where price before has tapped there, and respected it. And then as you saw here, we pushed up quick. So this is the thing, you know, you need to know where your levels are at. And at the moment, there's no trade for me. There's no sells here, even though all candles are printing bearish, because I know for a fact that as in price action, okay, we have support, we have resistance. This is resistance, so let's just write this out. So this is resistance. Okay. Now, when resistance is broken, like here, so it got broken and we come back up. When we lie down, when it starts to relax and come down, we normally make support. So in like price action, this is how you normally do it. So, I'll do it down here. So we're going up. So this is a bullish market. We're going down. We're going up. So now, where is price going to relax? This is what happens all the time. It's just the way the markets work. We go down, and it's very likely to relax on this line. This line here, look. Like that. And that is the new support. So when resistance is broken, it actually acts as support normally. There'll be fucking millions of examples on them in the charts because that's basically how price works. So buying into a solid support is a no-no. Yeah, like here, this is a perfect example. So look, so price came up, went down. So this is the first support, right? And this is the first resistance here. Okay. Now price broke it, nice, relaxed on this level, came back up, relaxed. Here we go. Relaxed at the exact support, which before was a resistance. So that's how it works. And this is what I'm waiting for here. I'm waiting for price to show me that it's respecting this level, which, as you can see at the moment, even though there's no candles printing bullish, I can still see they are struggling to dip down in this zone. And I'm not gonna lie, if we do get a solid 15-minute bullish here and then a low wick made to then exceed, I probably will enter quite early, just for the fact that I know where it's going. Just trying to get a better entry. And to be honest, if we do start getting some bullish signs here, this zone, I mean, if I got in like maybe here, this zone's 30 pips, so there's quite a good potential. But I'm really hoping that this hourly in 3 minutes time does push all the way back up, to be honest, I'm not gonna lie. Let's see what gold's doing. Yep, so gold's having this wick up, that's completely fine. Because no one's in any trades at the moment because we haven't closed below. And I will not be in if we don't close below. Because look how many wicks have not closed below. Too many. Too many for me. But yeah, guys, cheers for the two charts there. Please feel free to bring some more in. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Let's have another take of the brew, man. 16 concurrent viewers, man. Too good, too good. But yeah, if you're new to the stream, give it a like, give it a share, give it a follow, all that good stuff helps me out. I want to make this a fun stream for people, but you know, the main things we need to know here is you wait for candles to close and you wait for low wicks and top wicks to be made. Trust me, it helps so much. So yeah, I'll show you the trades that I did yesterday. This is I'll do this. So let's have a look. So yesterday, 1 second. How did I get this on? So yeah, so it's a fun and talent thing. So 25,000. But yesterday I had a nice gold trade. So you see that gold trade here? That was nice. That was quick in and out. And then my other GJ trade, which was just after the stream, I caught 450 quid on that. So that was pretty good. Works well. Price is going to retrace to 152. Well, we will see. We will see. I hope so. If candles close below this region here, I think it will. Yeah, 100%. But at the moment, it still isn't closing below this region, and I still have a funny feeling we're going to keep that as support. So 2 minutes left. 2 minutes left. Let's see where the momentum comes. But yeah, this could go at 152 here. But for me, there's not enough range. There's not enough space to get back in this zone here. And it's quite choppy. Can you see this? There's lots of 50-minute candles which are pretty shit. So I am praying to God we don't go back to the fucking crappy choppy bit here, please. Please. I don't want to go back to that, boy. I'm already in sells from Asian. Nice. So sells from Asians. Let me see where you could have got in. To be honest, I would probably got in. I'm trying to see. To be honest, from 6 o'clock, 6:30 is nice. Asian's choppy though. Let's have a look at the 30-minute a bit cleaner. Where did you get in? Did you get in higher up here? What about this wick coming up? Bruh, I would not want to be in that. But yeah, this is really key level I'm looking for. So let this candle again in 17 seconds. Need to close in the zone and then make a top wick and then maybe fall down. You could probably get it, but you'll have to be patient. And the reason why you're being so picky here is because you just want the complete win rate. You want the best trades possible. So you can see here, price is pushing down. Nice. Hasn't made a top wick yet, so I don't give a shit. And also this zone here is too small, so I don't care. It's a shame a gold closed 15-minute bullish. So suggest that's holding the support here. We need to wait for another 15-minute close down here, and then a wick up. So yeah, we'll wait 15 minutes for that. And here we go. Let's go. Let's see if it gets to 152. Let's see. So let's see how this hourly closed. Yeah, it's alright. So this is one thing, guys. This is one thing. Okay, this hourly didn't close in this zone. It closed above it. So I still would not be in sales, to be honest. I think you may be able to catch that in there. I mean, quick sells. You could be able to get it, but for me, for long term, this hourly hasn't closed in this zone. This where's my annotation here? Where is it? So this zone here is its own zone, and this zone here, this nice clean, is its own zone, and the hourly hasn't closed in it. So keeping your higher time frames in mind. Let's go 152 to my TP. Yes, man. Hopefully you can get that, but I don't know. Where's your stop loss now? Because if I was you, I mean obviously I'm not you, but if you were in above like here or something, I'd have my stop loss like here now. 1 second. So if you I don't know when you got in, but I'd have moved my stop loss anyway to about here, just to give it a bit of leg room. But you don't want it like all the way up here. Oh, yeah, but okay, it's a break even, but where did you get in? Oh shit, Chris Chong, did you start the challenge? Yeah, man. So this is like my 8th one. Oh, I said sells hours ago over here. Yeah, bro. If you entered sells like an hour ago, like here, I'd advise putting your stop loss here in profit. Why would you have it at break even up here? If price pushes all the way back up there, you just waste all that money when you could literally have it here. Because it should respect this resistance here. And you're coming into a new zone. You know, you need to always kind of target where you're going to take your profits off. And considering this 30-minute hasn't made a top wick yet, but you're not passing them. Oh, bro. I think with full and talent, you just have to take it easy, take it slow. How much are you risking per trade? So if people are wondering how much you risking per trade. So for me, a £25,000 account, I'm risking 3.5 lots. So 350 pounds or dollars, whatever. 350 per trade, per 10 pips basically, which is like 1.4%. Here we go. We're gonna come 152. We're gonna get there. Let's see where GJ is. Gold, sorry. Yeah, so gold's really respecting that, which is a shame. I still don't trust these sells. I can just see this bullish candle. I can see this bearish candle flipping like a bitch. Oh my god. But that'll be nice for later on. But that was a nice little push there. Let's see if you could have got on in the 5 minutes. Let's have a look. Maybe exceeding them lows there, and you would have just about got 10 pips. So yeah, it's very, very, very tight. If you just got in there, you'd have just been scraping 10 pips. I'm looking for more room. So like I know, for example, over here, if you get some nice close above this region again, we got lots of room. Yeah, lovely. And this zone here is definitely a no trade zone here. Holy shit! Like, it's just not applicable at all. 13, 14 pips. Nope. To be honest, even this one's too small as well. Let's have a look. Yeah, 16 pip as well. I'm actually gonna delete that. I don't want any cells at the moment. Me no likey cells. Let's make this a bit thicker. Nice. 20 viewers, bro. Fuck. Hello, everyone. Cheese. The squad's in, boys. Yeah, 100%. So yeah, if you're in cells, if you got in like up here, I'd definitely say take some profits in now or whatever. Just take them bit by bit because we're coming to look left here. So if you look left, we can see we had zones which have been tapped and retraced. So I'll be taking in profits 100%. So even though yeah you want to take your TP on 152, I'd wait. Big thumbs up to the stream, man. Yes sir, man. Cheese. We got a stream. We got brews in the morning. We got a brew in the morning. You have to get a brew, man. It is sorts. It's sorts. And here we go. We're coming back to the zone. Nice. I'm still waiting on this gold to close, but it's unfortunate because that 30-minute was and that 50-minute hasn't closed. But if you get a 50-minute close below here, and then a wick up, I might be able to squeeze that bad lad in. But yeah, very very good. So guys, if you're new to the stream, I'll just kind of tell you the chart. So this blue line here is the 4-hour flip. So if you look here, 4-hour flip. This yellow line is the daily flip, and it basically means I don't have to look at the higher time frames every fucking 10 seconds, knowing where they are. I know that if price starts coming back up here, we are going to be flipping higher time frames. It basically means like what I'm looking for is trades that are basically having the higher time frames in the bias. So at the moment, it would be nice. It would have been nice sells there, but unfortunately, this zone here for me was too small. I quite like having at least like 20 pips, and it could have been retraced here, all that kind of stuff. So just keeping it nice. And also this 50-minute didn't have a top wick here for the 8 o'clock push, but that's fine. It's fine with me. And also this 30-minute here before, this 30-minute candle here still hasn't closed in this region. You see the last one hasn't closed. So this could retrace all the way back up if it doesn't like this zone. It's just getting a nice little push here. But it looks good though. But I hope it doesn't stay in this range all day, man. Hope it doesn't. God damn. God dang it, no. An hourly doesn't have a top wick. Yeah. So I'm chilling. So look. What are the probabilities here, right? What are the probabilities? So, this candle here is the hourly candle. It has got 52 minutes left. So what is the probability that this continues to fall the whole way? Or what is the probability that actually retraces and makes its top wick, which every other one really basically has? Even this one has one little nipple. So that's what you need to do. If you're in a trade, you need to look at the probabilities, okay? Back test it and look, right? How many candles in this segment here? How many candles have got top wicks and bottom wicks? Well, I can see there's one that isn't there. There's one that isn't there. One that isn't there. So you can see that there's not many, okay? Out of all of these candles, there's like 3, okay? So, you know, 3 out of, I don't know how many candles are there, but that's quite a low percentage. So you know that for a fact that if you're in this trade, you should probably be taking profits here at the next zone, right here. You should have been basically out completely or had a little runner on. But, you know, what is the probability that we're going to make a top wick here? It's probably quite likely, isn't it? That's what you need to think to yourself. It's always about probability. Yes, this could start running and flying. That's fine. But how many times is that going to happen in a month? Probably once. You know what I mean? Nice, bro. You're out. Lovely stuff. Good shit. Would you take buys if a solid support forms at 152? Not 152, no. It'd be 152.2. I'd probably be looking more into it because 152 has got all this crap here. I don't want to be in this zone. Can you see? I want it to be above this zone. 152 and 152.2 and above. I could maybe look for some, but I'd wait for some strong 15 minutes, etc., etc. But yeah. Let's have a look what gold's doing. Gold's still hovering on there. The hourly closed below all this actually. So if you look here, the hourly. So this is the hourly supports here. You can see that the hourly closed below. So this is looking good actually. I just need a 15-minute to close bearish. So these are just retracing. That's nice. That's fine. But if we do get a candle like this, I'm going to try and draw these a bit better because they've been pretty fucking shit before. So if I get so this comes up, makes a little wick, and then starts to do this, like that, and then the next one comes up, like this, and then starts falling like that. I will be entering my beautiful cells here with the stop loss that's just made, the top wick, or just this one, depends how much I want to risk. And then yeah, so that's how it would work. That's what I'll be looking for. Nice. Let's have a look. Wow guys, there's so many people commenting now. I like that shit, man. So what did you say? If break current 30-minute candle wick, you took a trade, sell or not? GJ, no. No. Let's see if it breaks current 30. Wait, what? If it breaks current 30-minute candle wick? What do you mean, the wick here? No. And because look at this. Here we've had a wick. Here we've had a wick. Here we've had a wick. There's so many times it's been rejecting. Is the probability they're going to be there for me? No. I want clear. I want clean candles. I want clean candles, man. That's what I want. So actually, this one here, this one at 6:30 breaking down. This is quite nice because there's clean candles towards there. I do quite like that. But here, there's too much traffic. There's too much traffic. So if this one flies down here, I don't give a shit. I literally couldn't care less. It'll be in this box again. It's in this kind of range. I don't like this level here. There's no trades in this zone here. There just isn't any for me. There's none. But if we come back up, there's trades here, all the way back up there. So that's what I'll be looking for. It's all about. I know I can tell people are like trying to fish and trying to find, like, you know, the trade for the day because they've woken up. But sometimes, you know, days. I mean weeks. I mean I remember Raja being on a stream. So Raja's wicks don't lie, by the way. He'd be on a stream for a week and there'd be no trades, and he'd just sit there for 3 hours doing nothing because it's just crap. And you have, if you can't do that, like, bro, you're not gonna do well because you're just looking for trades. Like, why would I ever want to take a trade here now when I know I can literally see a candle here that went all the way down here? That's fine, which is 8 pips away. Then it closed back in the range and then came all the way back up. You know, I want solid trades, breaking of zones, and at the moment we're in a zone, so I can't break the zone if we're already in it. Fair enough, maybe like here when we exceeded those lows that I would have been in, but that was at 7 o'clock and I wasn't on stream. I start 7:30 because that's when the volume comes, as you can see. But this is looking, wow. Let's see how far it can go, GJ. Let's see how far you can go. But yeah, so like obviously these trades could work and stuff, but it's having, you know, healthy trades against bad trades. And if I took that trade there, you know, 100 times, how many times is it going to work? I don't think it's going to be more than 50, to be honest, because we're in a zone. But that's looking good though. Let's have a look at this hourly now. Woo! I swear to God, if it comes back in this zone here, like if this zone here, oh bro. So this zone here, I'll say it now and I'll never say it again. Where is the fucking tool? From like here, well, even like there, to be fair. So from like here to here, this zone here, right here. Goat shit. Don't touch it. Don't touch that fucking zone here. So this one, from there to there. Don't do it. It's rangy. Look at that. Look how many candles are there. Oh my God, GJ's flying. Fuck. Look at that. Jeez. Okay, GG, I see you. I see you. To be fair, it still hasn't exceeded that wick yet, so I'm not bothered, boy. I'm not bothered. Come back down to here. So It's passing these lows now, so it's very likely we're going to come back and sit on this support here. But can you see, so right here before London was open, so here at this zone there, it was like, oh, we're going to stay in this zone, we're going to stay in this zone or not. And because we didn't get a close in, I wasn't really bothered. And then obviously the 8 o'clock volume pushes it out, which is fine, but you have to chill. And now we'll be resting on this support here. Nice. The weekly fit bearish. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Sure did. Sure did. That's fine. This is the reason why I'm kind of bullish for the week, because look how big that candle is, bruh. Oh my god, that candle's huge. Like, the weekly candle before close literally dropped like 400 pips nearly, and retraced all the way back up. So I think the kind of long term is bullish, definitely. I'm still not. This has got 43 minutes left. I'm still not happy with these sells, to be honest. I think well done for people that got them. I mean, you could have just done it on the 5 minutes here, but there's just so many zones that you would have to have just forgot about, really. Like that one here. So this would be good for a runner if you got in like early here. You would have taken off your profits here or here, and then like your runner could do quite nice. But the runner's like a bit of fun. And runner, I mean runners, I think runner TP I'd probably have down here, 151.5. Suggest where it's gonna go to, and I swear to God if we go back in that zone, bruh. Right, so gold just chilling away, still keeping an eye on it. I want a 15-minute bearish. Oh, here it goes, here it goes. Here it goes. Here it goes. It's got 12 minutes left. Let's see 30-minute time frame. Oh, I might enter. Right, I think I'm going to enter. Yeah. Right, stops here, and then where's our top loss? Top loss going to be? Yes, it's got about a 20 pip stop. Nice. Right. Because the 30 minutes flipping here. Is it 30 minute flipping here? Was that the hourly? Oh, that was the hourly. 1 second. 1 second, I'm not in yet. I'm gonna wait until it comes down. Further. I need to get my terminal up as well, to be honest. So I want this 15-minute to close, like I said, here, and then I'll be in. Where's the gold? Where's gold on my MT5, boy? Where is it? Oh, there. Yeah, sorry guys. I thought the 30-minute was flipping. It wasn't. Thank God I didn't. Thank God I didn't enter then. I pressed the hourly instead. Da, da, da. I thought the 30-minute here. I need a 30-minute to close. Bearish. Because if you enter on when the last 30-minute candle was bullish, if it goes wrong, you can be like, well, I fucking knew it was gonna go wrong because the last 30-minute was bullish. So you have to wait until this closes. But it looks like momentum's coming in and stuff, so that's good. Looks like volume's coming in though. That's nice. It's nice. Let me just record this. So 11 minutes time, is it? Yeah, 11 minutes time. You could do a lot in 11 minutes. That's okay. That's okay. But I'm really wanting that close below. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hello, GJ. Highly doubt. Yeah, yeah. It's just because the hourly's closed below. That's all. That's why I like it. And we've got wicks to fill. So obviously, if I get in here, my stops at break even will be like here. So I don't really care how far it doesn't go. Especially the 4 hour exceeding the lows. I'm happy. 20 pips and that kind of stuff. So hourly still got 40 minutes left. Lots of time. Lots of time. Yeah, David, I think that's a good point. But to be fair, there's big news in gold every week, to be honest. Doesn't seem to affect it. I just like how the hourly's closed below. But yeah, I only want it if you close below. Or that's 30-minute flipped if this one was bearish already, but it isn't. How come on GJ you don't look at the most recent traffic and ignore past noise? Well, I don't. That's the whole point. That's why I haven't entered. This is the recent traffic. So this is the reason why I haven't entered this. Let's go further. This. That's recent traffic and recent noise. Oh, like recent traffic here. No, because obviously trades like this, you think, you know, this is gonna work every time. Trust me, it won't. You know, you need to make sure that these support areas here, you need to wait until they are broken. This close below, and also the ranges are just too small here. Yes, obviously, if it lifts blast down, you're gonna be grand. But how many times will this happen in the morning? It doesn't happen that much. It's just very, very impulsive, this, and I don't like it. For longevity and for keeping your percentages high, nah, not good. Because look, how many times could this have rejected? Look, here, like it's just too much noise. I don't like that. I like clean stuff. 152.2. Yeah, what about it? There's stuff here. Look, I ain't gonna touch it. Hell no. Yeah, I know. And I'm looking at most recent. Look, I'm literally looking here. This is the most recent noise, 152.2, and I ain't touching it. Support, bro. I don't know what you're talking about, bro. What you talking about, Willis? What you talking about, Willis? But yeah, that's a nice little pull down for GJ. Nice, back in the range. So fucking happy for that. Bullshit. Get these little dots off my screen. Right, let's keep an eye on gold for me. Whoa! You're right. It's on that support. Woohoo! Too fair, it's still got time to be honest, but that was nice. Let's have a look at the hourly now. Yeah, so hourly's not too bad. Still got 37 minutes left, so I'm happy for that to do its thing. And it's going to flip that 4 hour, which is going to be interesting, which will then be likely to fill up this range back up here. Nicely. So yeah, GJ, I'm going to be waiting a long time for GJ, I feel the hourly needs to give me some sort of you know, kind of price. If we do close below 151.8, that could be good. That could be a nice little sell back to these zones here. But we really have to wait until this candle to close. Let's have a look at the 15s. Yeah, 5 minutes is starting to make a little support and all that good stuff. But yeah, wow, so 8 o'clock volume just flew. To be honest, let's see how far it's gone. Yeah, 30 pips. Beautiful. I think because in my head I'm still looking for buys. I'm not really thinking about this, especially because the hourly didn't close in this region. Don't really care. I don't really care for it. 16 viewers, man. Well done, well done. Make sure you give a like on the stream, and also, guys, if you've got any more charts, feel free to send them, man. Send them, bitches. And you send it by this. So you go to the top right corner, you press the camera, and then, how the fuck do you do this? Well, you copy it and then put it into your thing. But only send me this. Only send me this part. So the -X, you send me that bit like that, and then you just give you that, and it'll work. So like for that example I just did there. Oh, there's 2 X's. That's all you do. Oh shit. I can't do it on mine, I don't think. But on yours it'll work. Easy, easy. Do, 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 do. So, GJ for the day. So, the low of the daily is down here, so we're not too bad for the lows. I think it's just retesting this resistance over here, which will be interesting. Oh, yeah. But this candle, 30-minute candle, has got 4 minutes left. Good stuff, good stuff. And this one's got 34 minutes left. And is gold still running up? Yeah, gold's still running up nicely. Impulse entry on GJ. What, for the downside? Nope. Not for me. Not for me. Let's go resistance here. Yeah, if volume comes in, but this is only for runners now. Like, if you got in there, then yeah, fair, I'd probably get in. I'd probably hold my runner for like down here, but you know, you have to wait. Maybe if this closed below, but I'm just not happy with that. I don't think, just because we're coming to this resistance here. Resistance. This candle's got 3 minutes left. Let's see. If this candle closes, then the next one makes a top wick and then exceeds the low, maybe. As it seems to be running quite nicely. But look, can you see here? The 4-hour supports are coming in hand here. So, are you selling into a 4-hour support? So like that. Let's not do that because I have to fucking wipe it off. See here, 4-hour support. The reason why it's a 4-hour support is because this candles came up, came down, rested on here, came up, came down. It's closed, then it would fall. That's fine. This one's came up, came down. This candle pulled all the way down, then came all the way back up, and this candle's coming back to it. So, are you going to sell into this zone? I probably wouldn't. I probably wouldn't. But that is a good swift move, like holy shit. Zoning. So this candle could dip all the way back down in here as well. That's fine. There's too much traffic on the left for me today. Not good, not good. Here we go. Wow, that retracement. So the daily's gonna flip soon. That'll be interesting for the rest of the day. See what Euro News came out. Still it came out, yeah. It's all good, it's all good. But yeah, that 4-hour thing here, that's not tickling my pickle. I mean, yeah, you could probably get your 10, your 20 pips. That's fine, but for me, I'm sticking with my 4-hour bias. This can run as far as it wants. I couldn't care less. I think people in these trades will get a what's it called? A false sense of security every time there's going to be some sells here, and you're going to try and hold it the whole time. But bro, trust me, it don't work that way. That was just nice, but these kind of candles here put me off, to be honest. And this zone, and this zone, and this zone, even though it's just blasted through all three, in most days it probably wouldn't. So I don't care for it. Can you show an example of clean traffic compared to GJ currently? Yeah, sure thing. Let's go down. Let's get away from these. So here's a nice clean traffic. Let's have a look left. Here we go. This is a beautiful example. So here, let's have a look. So we are a bit bullish. It's nice. We are here. We made some support kind of around this region here. Can you see? Now what I'd be wanting to do is waiting for candles either get in here or waiting for a close above, which would be here. This candle closed above, exceed the highs, grand, and as you can see, we flew. But it's only clean when we look left. Can you see we looking left? Look at the traffic. There's nothing here. until up here. Can you see? That matches up with ours. It only starts ranging when you get all the way to the top. This is clean. You know, clean up, clean down. I don't want fucking like this. This is not clean. This is awful. Okay? But this, clean. Go further along. There's probably 20 million of them. Here, clean stuff. So here, so clean up. As you can see, exactly the same as here. Do this here. Move back to resistances above here. We come all the way back up, which is exactly the same as above here. And then when we come back down, clean candles all the way back down. So it's not hard. It's just, you know, these moves will be nice, but at the moment we've had some quite nice clean weeks. So it's very, very likely we're going to have some shit weeks. But you can see here, even from here, clean candles, clean candles. It basically means candles where there's not much noise. So if you look left from here, is there any clean candles? Look at that. Look how clean that is. This whole region here, look. This whole region here. And this whole region here. Very, very easy when we start moving. And the end product is a nice trade, but that's for the runners and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, it's very easy to find clean trades, but you need to also, the ones you need to do is identify the trades that are not. Let's get rid of this. Come on, GJ. Needs a bigger top wick for that. To be honest, it's closing this zone, so very likely we're just going to price to fall down here, which will be interessante. Where's my magic keys? Where are they gone? Oh, there. There they are. Just get that. So, if the 30-minute gets quite a big enough wick here to then fall and exceed the lows, we could be alright because price is closed below, and this is a nice range. Even though this is a goat shit to trade in from the top, it's 30 pip range, which is rather splendid. But I'm wanting the 30-minute and the 50-minute to make a bit of a bigger top wick here. So yeah, I want price to drive up here a bit further and then start falling, exceeding. That could be quite a nice trade that I'll probably be likely to get in. Oh yeah. Back down to these lows, man. Because that is some solid move now. I mean, the 4 hours coming into it. But yeah, I also taking the fact this play here, but we'll see, we'll see. Did I send it right? Oh, you didn't send me one yet. Where is it? Let's have a look. I don't think you sent me it. I don't think you sent me it yet. I can't see it on the chat. I can't see it on the chat. Look how solid that is, bro. Yeah, closing here could be quite nice, to be honest. I want it to chill up here for a good while, though. Yeah, I think I'll be able to use that one second. Ah, nah, it doesn't work. It don't work, boy. Right, I should quickly go to the toilet. Every 2 minutes. Right, okay, I think I'm gonna enter me. The 55-minute flips. Stop loss across current. One second. I want it to flip a bit more. Come on. Push a bit more, boy. Say I'm praying for all these better on Monday. Right, okay, I've entered, I think. Yes. Right. Let's go, boys. Wow, up fucking 2 pips already, boy. Okay, okay, okay. I feel ya, I feel ya. I wanted this flip, I said that, so I got it. And the stop loss is below the current candle. Here we go, boys. Here we go, boys. There we go, boy. Oh shit, boys. 6 pips already, man. Nice. So my stops are gonna be a break even, I think, soon. Don't want the candle to flip anymore. Sorry that was so rushed, but I said the candle flipped. I just needed to go to the toilet. Now my stop loss is at entry, so I don't really care anymore. I don't want it to flip again. I want this to continue and further. Oh, 6 pips. That's beautiful, man. So yeah, I said the candle flip here. We've closed below this region. We should continue here now, and that's what I'm looking for. That's what I'm looking. Come on, push a bit more. Push a bit more, GJ. Come on. Lovely, man. TP back down to 521. Yeah, it's fine. That's what I'm on, boys. Sorry for that rush, but I got it. Oh yes! Come on, boys. Come on, GJ. Come on, GJ. Let's go. We got dubs in the chat. Dubs in the chat. Approaching 10 pips, boys. Here we go. Got 9 pips, boys. I'm gonna close some. Good stuff. Good stuff. Good stuff. Nice. Closed half. And the rest run. But it looks like it's retreating already. So that was a quick. I saw that 5-minute just flip and I was like, oh, bro. I'm going to get in this badly. Good stuff, man. Good stuff. Now it's retreating all the way back up. I am praying for nothing better. And now we're back up. Nice. Well, that was quick in and out. God damn. That was quick in and out, boys. Lovely stuff. So, 1 trade called. Nice. Trades talked about. To be fair, I don't know why I went to the toilet there, but I literally went in straight away. I was like, bro, I'm going to get this. Called GJ plus. I think it was like 9 pips. Nice. I closed out 9 pips just below the 10 pips. Lovely stuff. Lovely stuff. Price or move, was it better to wait for support and break of that support for sells instead? Well, the reason why I like that is because the 15-minute and the 30-minute here, they close below this region here. So they close below this region. 1 second. Here. So now we're closed back in this region. So what we're gonna do? Price is gonna, exceed and fall back. That's what I expected. And I saw that the candle here. 1 second to clear this. I saw that the candle here. 1 second. On the 15-minute, made a top wick, and then when we started exceeding and flipping, and we had momentum in. If you look at the 5-minute, we pushed solid below. Then that was the candle to enter, and this is gonna continue, I think. And that's the trade of the morning, man. Easy, 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 easy. So that's with volume, I didn't like this kind of here because I thought, if we're here, we're gonna reject and all that stuff, but we got to close below. So closing below the range here was perfect, and that's why it worked. That's why it worked. So with volume, you can get them quick things, but did you see how quick my stop loss at break even? Quick, because if it's an impulse, it's at the new zone. I knew that if this is going to work, it's going to have to be in and out quick. So when price came to about here, I think like 717, my stop loss is at break even already. So that's great. That's what you got to do. Oh yeah. Yeah, so I said that the 4 hour support, but I also knew that I could probably squeeze out the 10 pips because of these wicks. Can you see here? And here. So look, there's a zone actually from here. So 151.6 is tapped quite a lot of times. So it's very likely he's going to get to that. So that's why I kind of did that. I used the 15-minute to base off it. And when the candle flips, you know, where's it going to go? It's going to go all the way back down. But yeah, this works a lot. I mean, this works a lot on gold as well. You wait for a solid close below a region. You wait for the top wick, and then the top wick's now your stop loss. And then when you flip, you grand. So that stop loss there was about 8 pips. Looking for possible buys above 1799.5 on gold. What are your things? Ooh. Is this? Yes. Okay. Yep. I agree. If you wait for a close below, so 15 minutes. So this 15-minute candle exceeds the highs here. So if we get a close above, so it's got 2 minutes left. If we close above this region here, so yeah, about there, I'd be happy. Wait for the lower wick and then phew, that would be nice. That would be nice. Yeah, that's actually a good point. That. Let's have a look at the 30-minute. Yeah, 30 minutes looking good. Hourly's looking good. Does have a little resistance there, but if we do get a close above, we could be sound. Lovely, look at this. So you wait for a 15-minute close. In 1 minute's time, this could just launch straight away. But no impulses, guys. You can't think of doing impulses because yeah, one will work, but how many are they going to work in 100 times? Not that many. So no, just chill. You don't have to do the impulses. I'm telling you. The amount of times that when I was younger, I'd do an impulse here, then it would rinse all the way back down here, and then just wait for the closure. Now you've got an actual confirmation. Yes, my boy. I took a GJ trade literally after the toilet, and now oh, look at that. Fuck yeah. I took it literally when I came back from the toilet. Straight away, wait for this candle to flip. I did say to the chat, wait for this candle to flip and it'll be grand. And this candle here should now either fall all the way down here, but it is on this little support here, but it should be fine. It should be fine all the way down here now. Should be fine now. So there we go. If you held that trade on, you still would have been fine, to be fair. And look at that. So I've got literally an 8 pip stop. So if you look here, 8 pip stop, lovely. And here we go. It's going to come back down to this zone here. It's got another 10 pips left on there. How long have you been trading for? Like 5 years. Probably say like 5 years. And here we go. Here we go. And there you go. Lovely. Back down to this zone. Take your profits. All you good. If you held it on. But yeah, it's good shit that. Very, very nice. And now back down to these zones. Lovely. Okay, so we had a close below. A close above. Nice. So I'm going to wait for this bottom wick to be made. If it flies off straight away, that's fine. So zones. Where are we going to go for zones? Well, look further along here. So this doesn't have a bottom wick yet, so I'm not wanting it. I'm wanting this bottom wick first. Yeah, man. So this trade was good, very, very good. Because we closed below into a new region. What's going to happen? We're going to fill this region up, and that's exactly what we did. So, and that was an 8 pip stop for a, well, if you held that for the rest, 18 pip gain. So that's basically like someone who swing trades doing a 20 pip stop for like a a 40 pip, 38 pip gain. In literally like 10 minutes. Instead of holding the trade on for fucking 4 hours. Yeah, I need this bottom wick first. I need to be able to see that this price, it doesn't want to be in here anymore, and I want us to jump back up. When you enter on the flip, and when you enter when it breaks the previous low. No, so the reason why I wanted to enter on the flip is because it gives me a tighter stop. It gives me a tighter stop, and I knew that with volume, if we do flip here, back into this zone, I can have my stop loss basically at break even by the time it's at this top of the wick, so I'm good. Whereas if I entered here, it'll be a lot tighter. So flipping is when the high or the low of a candle is a bit too far, and it means my stop loss will be a bit bigger. So if I got in here, my stop loss would be about 11, 12 pips kind of, whereas mine was 8. So that's kind of how you get in a bit quicker. And I looked at the 5 minute as well, and the 5 minute was looking like this, so I quite like that. So you can see now, price is moving about a bit mad. To be honest, you could probably wait until the 30 minute closed. This could rock it now, to be honest. Now it's made its little wick. It's in this zone. So your stop loss, if you had it here, your stop loss I'd probably put like down here. But wait, I say wait a bit longer. Because you can see this candle's got 12 minutes left. Is it going to run up the whole 12 minutes? Probably not. So I'd wait. The hourly's got 12 minutes left. So yeah, you need to be careful here because the hourly will make a bottom whip, a top whip, all that kind of stuff. So that's when you use, your higher time frames. The hourly's going to close. Look at the hourly. They have a lot of bottom wicks, a lot of top wicks. Look how big these are. So maybe it's best to wait 11 minutes for this to close, make a bottom wick here, and then exceed. Lovely. Well, GJ ran huge today. It's a shame about the left of being so much traffic. If this was clean, if this was just like this coming up, I'd have been in that. Hell yeah. What do you mean? I need gold with the bottom wick, and then to fly up. But yeah. There was some nice entries there. If you didn't really care about this, but I always look left. That's how you do it. If you haven't already, guys, give a like on the stream. How many likes are we on? 13. Yeah, run that bitch up. I want like 16, 17. Yesterday we got 16. Got a nice trade idea here. Oh yeah. Get those likes up, boy. Get those likes up, boy. Lovely stuff, man. There's so many people up early in the morning. I'm surprised. So look at this. This is why you need to be careful. It's like nope. And the 30 minute hasn't closed above, and the hourly hasn't closed above yet. So if you're really looking for a solid trade on gold, instead of waiting for the 50 minute, waiting for the 30 minute and the 1 hour to close is a lot safer option. A lot safer option. So for later on for GJ, for looks like a very bearish day. And look, so if we do break these lows, oh my god, this is what I'm talking about. So first kind of what zone is here. That's like a 27 pip drop, and then furthermore down here. So there's lots of places. Oh, I like this music, man. This music's not as bad. Yeah, jeez. So we got GJ 9 pips, not too bad. Then I hit my runners at break even, and then it actually continued going down again. Bless. And it's still going to this day. To this day. But yeah, nice with momentum. Good stuff. Corrected that whole move, so that's great. All that work, all that hard work yesterday, just corrected. Oof. Instantly. But yeah, I'm quite happy with that trade. Not too bad. It was very, very quick. I mean, I was in and out. Like, if you look on my fucking MT4, where was it? Here. Time 10:39. So I opened it at 10:36 and closed it at 10:38 point something. So a 2-minute trade. So 2 minute, like, this is what I like. You know, small independent trades which are gonna work very consistently. Breaking the lows, coming back into this new zone here. It's easy stuff, man. Just how it works, man. If you guys got any questions about other stuff in life, like anything, just feel free to ask. Where's everyone from in the chat? Where's everyone from? Who's from UK? Who's from UK? Who's from the ends, boy? Who's from the UK? Who's from the US? Who's from Canada? Where is everyone? Come on, guys! I want some more. Feedback in the chat, man. South Africa. Jeez. Hello. I'm on the chat. Yeah. All right. You getting some? Huh? Yeah. So South Africa, Cape Town. Jeez. Currently living in Hawaii. Fuck. Why am I not there, man? India. Crawley from Vig. Jeez. How far's Crawley from here, from me? 1 second. Maps. I have no idea where Crawley is. Crawley. Is it like Bishop? No. Crawley? Are there? 5-hour drive. What the fuck? Oh, you're near Gatwick. Ah, shit. Jesus Christ, you're near at the bottom of the thing. South Africa, Cape Town. Jeez, wait, is Brian? Wait, I think pretty sure everyone says this. How big is Cape Town? Is it huge? My geography, by the way, is absolutely astronomically shit. Oh, by the way, on I'll see if I can get on here actually. I'm going down to Silverstone Classic, so I might do a little vlog for that. That'd be quite classic. Silverstone Classic. I want to see what it's about. My dad's bringing his cars and that. Where is it? Everything's big in Japan, lol. Cape Town is big. Jeez. Let's see this. I want to see the our car clubs. Let's see this bad lad. Anyone big car fans here? I'm a massive car fan here. God damn. I do like the car stuff, man. Oh, they're actually racing as well. Oh, sick, man. There's gonna be old F1 cars and shit. Oh, yes. Jeez. And look at that retracement. Boy. Cape Town is big. Yeah, where I live is not. Well, to be fair, it's not too bad. It's not as big as those places. So you can see always the hourlies here. So I like the nice push. I think it was quick, nice and easy. But I wouldn't have held that for any longer, to be honest, because we need to see it respect these levels here. Look at that retracement, bro. Look at that retracement. Look at that retracement, man. God damn. So can you see here? Gold didn't have the balls to close above. So, you know, impulses again. This is why you don't do impulses. Wait for the candles to close, bro. Wait for the candles to close right here, and you'd have been grand. But if the candles don't close there, who cares? Don't do it. So that was the first. I'm annoyed because that trade I did record it, but I was very, you know, literally just came back from the toilet. I was like, oh shit. I was like, it's gonna flip. But we still got it. We still got it anyway. That's the thing. If you got magic keys, you can get that shit quick, man. I already had it in place, and then I just whacked it on. So yeah, magic keys. Oh yeah. They help a lot. Help a lot. But yeah, so tracing now actually. So if this in 3 minutes time closes above this range, you can tell it that it's respecting this range here, and it's actually wanting to be in this one, which is fine. That is a big retracement as well. That's a 19 pip retracement. That's pretty big. So I haven't had any losses this week yet. Nice. I've done 3 trades, 3 wins. Nice. That's what I like to hear. It's just 4 hours got in. Yeah, it's got enough time. 3 minutes left. So this will be interesting for the next hours. I'm still bullish for the day if we do start flipping this. It's coming back up to these highs. I mean, it is a very long way now. But if we do start coming here and getting some closes above this region, I'll be in for some buys, I think. And that'll be at 11:30 time, 12 o'clock time. But after this, I'll probably be playing some CSGO for a bit. Getting into that game a lot, man. I'm bashing it. CSGO is too good. So if we get a 2-minute close above here, wow. Bro, look at that retracement. Holy shit. That's why, you know, don't be greedy, get your trades in. Like, you know, take your 10 pips, take your 15 pips, and get the fuck out. Look at that retracement, boy. Which leverage are you using? I keep mine 1 to 100. You shouldn't have it any higher. I don't get why people's like fanatic about like this whole leverage thing. Leverage is literally how people fuck their accounts. Just keep it 1 to 100 or 1 to 25 or 1 to 50. If you have it on 1 to 500, what is the point? What the fuck is all this water on my desk, bro? If you have it on 1 to 500, like bruh, once again 800 bearish and 830 bullish. 830s. So that's a good analysis now. So now you need to know that maybe not bearish and bullish, maybe one's pushing and 8:30 it relaxes. So in your head, if you get into a trade at 8 o'clock, you should be out that trade by 8:30, right? That's how you need to use that information. If you know that it's gonna be like that, fucking hell, why is there so much water here? Is this leaking? Putting that shit on the floor. But if you know that 8 o'clock is pushes somewhere or another, you know,